अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज एक पावर पैक्ड प्रोटीन स्नैक बना लेते हैं। दिस इज काले चने, दैट इज अ ब्राउन चने। आई हैव स्प्राउटेड देम, सो वी आर गोइंग टू बी मेकिंग अ स्नैक या फिर चाट बोलो इसे। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। काले चने sprouted, I've taken 1 cup. Then I steamed them till they became a little soft. Add them to a bowl. To this, add 1 onion chopped, a few coriander leaves chopped, 1 grated cucumber. Grate the cucumber and squeeze out the water. Now, and then add it. 1 small carrot grated, 1 teaspoon zeera powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon jaggery powder. So this is for the khatta meetha taste. And then I added half a teaspoon of aamchur powder and squeeze out the juice of 1 lemon. Mix everything together very well. You can add a pinch of pepper powder to this as well if you like it. Now for extra taste, I've added half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix well, garnish with coriander leaves, and that's it. Kale chane ka sprout salad or chaat is now ready. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.